Today, we will be exploring how to assign and start sessions for individual students who did not take the assessment at the same time as their class did. We will start on the Assign Students page. In this example, we are setting up a session for a specific class. Let's assume that this student, Caitlin Cooper, is not in class and you don't want them to have access to the session. To remove this student from the assessment, check the box next to their name and make a note of their student ID, 498443. After checking the box, click the Remove Student button above the table. This action will prevent the student from having access to the test outside of class. Now, let's assume that this is the following day. A student is back in class and you want to test the student. The first part will be to assign the students and the second part will be to start the session. Follow these steps to assign them and start their session. First, click the blue Student Level Assignment button at the top right of the page. This will take you to a new page. On this page, enter the student's ID in the search field and click the play button to run the search. The students should populate in the search results. Check the box next to the student's name and click Assign. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. It simply explains that you will need to start and stop the session on this page. At this point, scroll down to the table labeled Individually Assigned Students. Here, you will need to check the box next to the student's name, selecting the student. Then, to start the assessment for the student, simply click the Start Session button. When the assessment is complete, you must select the student again and click Stop Session. Thank you for watching this tutorial on assigning and starting assessment sessions for individual students. Thanks and happy teaching.